This conference will now be recorded.
Good evening, all of you. Today we are discussing about normalization and denormalization. Actually, our concept is referential integrity constraints. Referential integrity constraints. To understand why we need a referential integrity constraint, we should discuss normalization and denormalization. One line statement I'm saying. See, referential integrity constraint is useful to define relation between the tables. Again, referential integrity constraint is useful to define relation between the tables. What is the use of that relation? Without relation, what is the disadvantage? That you can understand under this concept, normalization and denormalization. First, let me take two objects from the business. Employee, one object from business. Department, one object from business. So total you have two objects. Employee data available under employee table. Department data available under department table. But you are missing some data. What is that? I am raising some questions. Try to find out answers. How many employees working under production? How many employees working under production? We don't know. What are the names of sales employees? Get the names of sales employees. Unable to find out. What is highest salary under finance? We don't know. So three questions I raised. You are unable to answer for the three questions. What are the questions? Production. How many number of employees working under production department? Don't know. Get names of employees from sales department. Don't know. Get highest salary of department finance. We don't know. Missing data. Text. Relating to employee table, I am giving some questions. What is department name of seventh employee? What is department name of employee ID 7? We don't know. Next one. What is the working location of employee ID 1? We don't know. But according to business, each employee should work under department. You should know the department name of employee. And according to business, each department must contain at least one employee. So that information you are missing here because there is no relation between these two tables. The data is valid in both the tables, in employee table and the department table. each and every value is valid according to key constraints and domain constraints, but we are unable to find out related information. What is the solution for this? So the solution is, first solution denormalization, second solution normalization. Here what is the problem? Communication gap between database and end user. To eliminate communication gap, either we can maintain denormalized data. Wait, Darshad. Either we can maintain denormalized data or we can maintain normalized data. See, denormalization. What is denormalization? Maintain necessary information in one big table. Maintain necessary information under one big table. It is known as denormalization. Necessary information means employee. So compulsory he is related to department. So maintain employee information and also corresponding department information. Department, it should contain employees. How many employees are there? That many times you should maintain department record. That is called as maintaining necessary information under one big table, like this. Here I am maintaining employee data and corresponding department data in one table. This is only one table. Employee information is there, department information is there. Here, after denormalized method, I am using same questions. Find out the answers. How many number of employees working under production? 4 employees. Get names of employees from sales department. C, S, D. These are the names. What is highest salary under finance department? 2,200. What is department name of employee ID 7? Sales. And what is the working location of employee ID 1? Hyderabad. Whatever answers you missed in the previous tables, that you are able to get right now. So communication, what is the problem if you maintain separate tables? Communication gap. That is eliminated under denormalized method. Communication gap is eliminated by using two methods. One is denormalization, another one is normalization. So after denormalization, yes, the communication gap is eliminated. I am able to find out information. But under denormalization, we have some drawbacks. We have some drawbacks. What are the drawbacks? Drawbacks means disadvantages after denormalization. See here. According to this data, 4 employees working under production. Suppose in the real time, 5,000 employees working under production. Then you need to maintain same record 5,000 times. Production record you have to repeat 5,000 times. 10,000 employees under sales department. 10,000 times you need to repeat this record. 2,000 employees under finance. 2,000 times you need to repeat this record. This is called as data duplicacy. Repeatedly you are maintaining same record. That is one drawback. Generally, denormalized table has more data than normalized tables. Denormalized table having more data than normalized table, and data search time is also more than normalized tables. So these are the three drawbacks: duplicacy, and it will take long time to search data, and it will occupy more disk space because of more data. Vijay, how it is duplicated means don't consider this complete record. Only you have to consider this record. So department, actually it is a separate object. That object information you are maintaining repeatedly again and again and again. Actually we should not maintain like that. Okay. Now, so what are the drawbacks here? Three drawbacks: data duplicacy and occupying more disk space because of more data, and data search time is very long because of more data. These three drawbacks are eliminated. These three drawbacks are eliminated by using normalization process. So just casually I used this calculation: disk space, how much space denormalized table is occupying. How many columns? 6 columns. How many records? 9 records. 6 into 9, how many values? 54 values. Assume that 54 values occupying 54 KB. Assume that. This size is reduced after normalization. For that comparison, I am using this calculation. Now what is the table you have? Denormalized table you have, but that is having some drawbacks. To eliminate the drawbacks, we are discussing about normalization. What is normalization? It is the process of dividing big table into subtables. This is the process of dividing big table into subtables. Until which time we have to divide? Until maximum data duplicacy is reduced. Until maximum data duplicacy is reduced, we will continue this dividing process. That is called as normalization. Normalization is having three forms: first normal form, third normal form, first normal form, second normal form, third normal form. In maximum projects, we will follow up to third normal form. See, first normal form. What is first normal form? Divide the table into subtables based on repeated groups of data. Divide the denormalized table into subtables based on repeated groups of data. Repeated group of columns. From this column, the values are repeating again and again. From here to here, the values not repeating, but from here to here, the values are repeating again and again. So divide the table into two tables. Not repeating columns into one table, repeating columns into other table. Here, if you divide like that, see, not repeating columns into EMP table, repeating columns are into TEPT table. Now you have two tables. You have two tables. Next, second normal form. What is the second normal form? See, after first normal form, still we are having some disadvantage. One department means one record is enough about that department. But here, for each department, again and again we have the records. So eliminate duplicate records. In the second normal form, eliminate duplicate records and define primary keys. See, eliminate duplicate records and define primary keys. In the EMP table, we don't have duplicate records. That's why I am defining primary key. In the DEPT table, we have duplicate records. So eliminate them and then define primary key. Okay, now I have two separate tables, EMP, DEPT. But I have a problem. What is that? Again, communication gap. I don't know what is the department name of sixth employee. I don't know how many employees under production. Again, we are getting communication gap. To eliminate communication gap, we will apply third normal form. Third normal form is also called as Boy's Code normal form. Boy's Code normal form, called as BCNF. Third normal form is also known as BCNF. Okay, in the first normal form, we are dividing the table based on repeated groups of data. In the second normal form, eliminate duplicate records, define primary keys. That is second normal form. In the third normal form, define relation between the tables. Define relation between the tables. How to define? How to define? By using primary key of a table. We have primary keys here. Two primary keys. By using primary key of a table, we can define foreign key in other table. Again, I am repeating. How to define relation? By using primary key of a table, we can define foreign key in another table. Now, my question is, from which table we can consider primary key and in which table we can define foreign key? Hope you understand my question. Foreign key means, okay, let me explain first, then you can understand what is foreign key. See, Arshad, you are saying department table. In department table, we can maintain foreign key. Actually, what is foreign key? Let me explain. Foreign key is a column. It is a constraint. Constraint means you know that rules. What is foreign key column? Foreign key column defined from primary key. First point. Foreign key column defined from primary key. And foreign key accept values from primary key. Foreign key accept values from primary key. Third one. Foreign key also contain duplicate values and null values. What is primary key? Constraint. What is its properties? It will not accept duplicates. It will not accept null values. It's primary key. Similarly, what is foreign key? Constraint. So, how to define foreign key? Foreign key defined from primary key column. and foreign key accept values from primary key column, and also foreign key accept duplicates and null values. Okay, now let me explain in which table we can consider primary key and in which table we can define foreign key. Listen carefully. Employee DEPT, which is higher priority object, which is higher priority object in the business. Yes, Saket, you can use. See, department is higher priority object, and under department employee is working. So employee child, department parent. Suppose you have a mobile. You have mobile. Mobile is a product. Mobile is a product. Who is the parent of product? Company. Without company, there is no product. So company parent, product child. One more example I am giving. You have bank account. So if you have bank account, you have account number, right? You means customer and accounts. Customers accounts. Who is parent here? Listen carefully, guys. It's very, very important. Not bank, Saket. Customer accounts. Who is parent? Customer is parent. Why? Because one customer may have multiple accounts. Under customer, account number existed. If there is no customer, no account number generated. Customer is parent. One more example I am giving. You want to buy a product. You want to buy a product in online. Who are you? Customer. If you make an order, then order will be raised. So order is raised on the product. Order is raised on the product. So here customer, order, product. Listen carefully. Customer, order, product. Tell me who is parent, who is child. Think generally. It is very, very easy. No need to by heart. No need to remember. Very good. Customer is parent. Product is also parent. Product is also parent. Why? Because I am a customer. I want to make an order, but product is not there. Without product, order cannot be generated. Customer is there, but product is not available, out of stock. So order not generated. Yes, 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 Sahu. Master table, parent table, base table, all are same. One more time. Customer, order, product. Suppose product is there, but nobody is interested to buy. Product is there, but nobody is interested to buy, and also order not generated. Understand? To generate order, we need two objects, two parents. One is customer, another one is product. Without these two, order cannot be generated. Hope you understand. Next, come to here. Similarly, Department parent. Parent means master table. Parent table is also called as master table or base table. Under this department, multiple employees means employee is a child. Child table also called as derived table. Derived table or detailed table. So from the parent table, we can consider primary key column. From the parent table, we can consider primary key column. Okay, so we can consider primary key column, and based on that primary key column, I can define foreign key column in the child table. From parent primary key, we can define foreign key in the child table. So here foreign key defined from primary key. Foreign key accept values from primary key column. See, only 10, 20, 30 are accepted. If you try to enter 40, it will not accept. Why? Because 40 is not available from primary key. And one more point, foreign key also contains duplicates and null values. Here you have duplicates. I hope you understand. Now here you can get answers. What are the answers? These are the questions. How many number of employees working under production? See, production means 10. Under 10, how many employees are working? 4. And get names of employees from sales department. Wait, Vijay. Within 2 minutes, you will get the answer. Get names of employees from sales department. Sales means 20. Under 20, 3 employees are working. CST. Primary key definition, foreign key definition, don't mix, Saket. C, S, D. Definitions are individual. Next, what is highest salary under finance? Finance means 30. So 30 means these 2 employees, highest salary 2,200. Next, what is department name of employee ID 7? 7th employee working under 20. Based on this 20 value, you can find out the department name in DEPT table. Sales. What is working location of employee ID 1? Employee ID working under 10. 10 means production. Production located at Hyderabad. So the last answer is Hyderabad. Finish. So after denormalization, we are able to get answers. After normalization also, we are able to get answers. Which is best? Normalization. Why? There is a reason. What are the drawbacks of denormalization? 3 drawbacks. Data duplicacy, occupy more disk space, search time is long. But here, after normalization, there are no duplicate records. Instead of duplicate records, we have duplicate values. Instead of duplicate records, we have duplicate values. So duplicate records are not there. First advantage. Second advantage, find out total number of values in the 2 tables. Find out total number of values in the two tables. See, 4 columns into 9 records, 36 values. 4 into 9, 36, plus 3 into 3, 9. 36 plus 9, 45. Total values are 45. After denormalization, 54 values. So, which table will occupy more space? Denormalized table occupying more space. Normalized tables are occupying less space. Duplicate records are also eliminated. If you have less number of values, you can search the data as much as fast. If you have more number of values, it will take long time to search the data. So whatever 3 drawbacks are there after denormalization, that drawbacks are eliminated here. So normalization process is the best process. So no communication gap, no drawbacks of denormalization. So this is the benefit of third normal form. So now what we did here, based on primary key, you are defining foreign key. How to define? That you can do by using referential integrity constraint. Referential integrity constraint. It is used to define foreign key column. It is used to define foreign key column. How to define foreign key column? Foreign key column is defined from primary key of parent table. Already I explained how to identify parent table, how to identify child table. Just in the real-time business, higher priority object is parent or master table. Least priority object is child also called as detailed table or derived table. So what is referential integrity constraint? It is useful to define foreign key in the child table. Foreign key is defined from primary key of parent table, and foreign key contains duplicates and null values also. Its own property. Primary key means parent, foreign key means child. Generally, child can acquire properties of parent, and also child is having his own properties. That his own properties are nothing but accepting duplicates and null values. From the parent it is taking values. Now, remember, a table which has primary key is considered as parent table. Parent table is also known as master table or base table. And a table which has foreign key is known as child table. Child table also known as detailed table or derived table. Okay. What is the keyword of domain constraint? Check. Similarly, what is the keyword we will use to define foreign key? What is the keyword we will use to define foreign key? That is references. By using this, we can define foreign key in the child table. Why are you defining foreign key? To define relation. Why are you defining relation? Without relation, we are missing data. If you don't want to miss the data, we should define relation. To define relation, we should implement foreign key. To implement foreign key, we need references keyword, and also we need primary key in some other table. Now, how to define foreign key column? Like this. Generally, what is the definition of column name? Column name, data type, size. This is the definition of column. But it's not a normal column. It is defining from primary key. How to specify that? References, this column, definition, references from which table? Parent table. From the parent table, from which column? Primary key column. Understand? Now, let me take some example for us. Consider any two tables. Whatever the tables you want, you can consider. Any two tables. Anybody, give me two tables. Okay, let me consider. Okay, customer. Next. Sorry. Can you hear me? Yeah. Let me consider company. Company is having three columns: company ID, company name, country. So I am using two companies. So here I want to define company ID as a primary key. I want to define company ID as a primary key. Okay, right. Generally, for each company, from each company, we get products. From each company, we will get products. Products are having product ID, product name, cost of the product, and so many columns are there. Don't worry. See, product ID, P1, product name, like laptop, product cost 45,000. P2, product name, mobile, cost 10,000. P3, it's a fan, or otherwise washing machine, 34,000. P4, oven, let me take it as 5,600. P5, so many products you can maintain, let me take at least 5 products. And here TV, that is cost is 56,000. These are the products. If you have data like this, you have a problem. The problem is, suppose if I consider TV is from which company? We don't know. Are you ready to buy the product without company name? Are you ready to buy the product without company name? No one is ready. So you should maintain company name for each product or not. So see here, company is parent, product is a child. From the company table primary key, we can define foreign key column into product table. Remember, the column name, foreign key column. What is foreign key? Foreign key column takes values from primary key. First of all, foreign key column defined from primary key. And here, what is the column name? Maintain same column name, CMP ID. First company, first product company is CMP2. Second one CMP1. Third one CMP1. Fourth one CMP2. Fifth one CMP1. So here you have company's information. This column is called as foreign key column. How to define this? I want to create tables right now. Let me create table company. Company ID, it's like varchar2 of 10, and there should be primary key. Constraint primary key CMP ID, under which table? Company. What type of constraint? Primary key. Spool forgot. Okay, I will start after this table, or otherwise do one thing. Spool, and here C drive. Under C drive, users. Under users, Dinesh. Under Dinesh, desktop. Under desktop, Oracle spool files. Under Oracle spool files, what is the file number? Day 13. Day 13.txt. Spooling started. Which PID means you don't know which from which company you are getting product. You don't know that you are getting products. So on each product you have a company code compulsory that is defined by company people, not decided by ourselves. It is coming from company production place. Okay, now let me create the table. Create table company, and company ID is a primary key. Second column, company name. It's varchar 2 of 15. There should be not null constraint. Not null on company name under the table company. The constraint is not null. And company country. So country is like varchar 2 of 15, and again constraint nn underscore country of the company. It is also not null. Close. Here parent table created. After parent table, let me create products table. It's a child. Create table products. Product ID varchar 2 of 10. Again constraint primary key PID under product table. So it's primary key, actual name. Product name, it's like varchar 2 of 15, not null constraint. NN on P name under the table products, not null. Cost of the product, it's a number of 8,2. It is also not null. Constraint NN cost product table, not null. Completed. PID P name cost, but we need one more column, that is company ID. CMP ID. From where you are getting these values? CMP ID of company table. So from the company table, from the column CMP ID, same values are repeating into foreign key. So maintain same data type as primary key. Maintain same data type for the foreign key. Whatever the data type for primary key, maintain the same data type for foreign key also. CMP ID varchar 2 of 10. It's not completed. It is a foreign key column. Foreign key column means it should be references from parent table company. Parent table company. From the parent table, it is defined from primary key. Finish. So the last column is look like a different definition. So this last column definition having references keyword. So the last column is known as a foreign key column. Now let me insert records. Insert into products, values. What are the products? P1. First product. What is the name? Laptop. And what is the cost? 45,000. And it is coming from which product, which company? CMP2. What it is saying? Integrity constraint violated, parent key not found. Actually, company table created, but we don't enter any records. Without having CMP2, How do you take the CMP2 into child without having properties for the parent? How child will get the properties from the parent? So let me insert values into company. Insert into company values CMP1 and its company is LG and located at South Korea. First record. Second record is CMP2. Company is Sony, located in Japan. Now you have two parents. From these two parents, you can maintain any number of products. Insert into product values P1 laptop 45,000 CMP2. Now it is accepted. In the previous case, it is not accepted. Why? Because there is no parent. Now this parent is there in the parent table. That's why the value is accepted. Insert into so and so P2. It's a mobile. Its cost is 40,000 and this is from CMP1. Accepted. Why? Because CMP1 is a parent existed already. Next, suppose P3. Its name is, let me take headphones. So its cost is 4,000. I don't know what is the company, from which company it is. Then temporarily can I maintain unknown company like null value? Yes. So actually what is last column in the product table? Foreign key column. Foreign key column accept duplicates and also foreign key column accept null values. Next one, product P4. Its name is mobile. Again mobile. Its cost is 14,000 and its company name is CMP2. Yes, it will accept. And one more, P5. Its washing machine cost is 34,000. This is from CMP1. Accepted. Suppose there is a television. See, you can insert any number of values. P6. There is a TV. So the TV cost is 54,000. This is from CMP1. Suppose, hold on. Here P7. So OLED TV. Its cost is 1,54,000. This is also from CMP1. Accepted. And last product P8. P8 here HD box and its cost is 74,000. I don't know the company name. I don't know the company. Completed. Now check your data. Select star from company. First question, how many products from LG you have? If anybody is asking, how many products from LG you have? Select star from products. Find out. LG means CMP1. From CMP1, 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 products. Next one, highest cost product name from LG. Highest cost product name from LG. LG means CMP1, and from CMP1, 40,000, 34,000, 54,000, 1,54,000. The highest cost is 1,54,000. What is its name? OLED TV. One more. What is the company name of washing machine? So washing machine is from CMP1. So CMP1 means LG. Understand? So if you have relation, this is foreign key, this is primary key. If you have relation like this, then you can identify the information. This is very, very, very important for joins concept. So go through this video, be perfect for tomorrow. Tomorrow we will see some more examples and some more new concepts related to foreign key only. Related to foreign key only. Okay, that's all for today. Today we completed normalization, denormalization, how to define foreign key, and how to find who is parent, who is child. That's all for today. See you tomorrow. Thank you all of you.